Hello there, this is Lynsey Storer doing the recap of my painting of wheat fields. As you can see here, I draw out once I've painted a ground. The ground that I've applied is an acrylic base of lemon yellow and white. On top of this, I will then draw in charcoal. If you draw in pencil, you'll find that you can't erase your lines as the charcoal will naturally disappear into the paint. The reason why I use a ground is because it stops those little white flecks coming through, and if you use a lemon yellow you get a luminosity. This is an oil painting, and as you can see I've kind of blocked in all of the areas so that there's no patches left that are unpainted. For this picture I wanted to use the complementary colours of purple and yellow. These are located opposite each other on a colour wheel. So here I've started to add the purple to try and gain a sense of balance with the darkness and the blue colour of the sky. I've added some warmer, browner tones into the painting at this stage. However, I do want to go back into that brightness after. This is how the final painting looks now that I've worked up some form in the foreground and tried to make it so that there's a greater sense of depth. I've worked on this small scale because it's all that I've got at the moment while I'm staying at my mum's and using her space as my own. However, I would work on a small scale like this, and then I would increase the size if I felt that the painting worked successfully, because if it works on a small scale you're pretty much guaranteed that it's going to work on a large scale. Okay, hope you enjoyed listening to this. Taking photos of your work as it progresses is quite a good thing, because it allows you to look back and reflect and see what was really good, or sometimes you change things that actually worked better initially. I've just been back in again and done a little bit more to the fields because I wasn't so happy with the depth that was being created, and I've added just a little bit more yellow, and now I'm going to leave this one.